Hi, this video will show you how to put together the ink blending tool SVG file from Simply Crafty SVGs. So this is going to hold these ink blending tools, often used for distress inks or oxides for blending. So this is a real simple design. We have the box and then the panels that'll go on after we put together the box. To put together the box is really simple. We're just going to glue the 4 little tabs to the side. So first you want to make sure obviously you scored everything. Just going to fold it up and match up the side edge to the tab fold. Because I'm using a craft board for this project, which is a little thicker than cardstock, I'm using a clothespin to hold that tab in place until it dries. But you could just hold it as long as you need to, but if you wanted to utilize a clothespin, if you have a couple handy, it does come in handy. Get a little wet paper towel to get that excess glue off. Or you can always apply pressure against the table like this. So I took that first one off because it's dry enough. I have the Scotch quick dry. It does dry fairly quickly. But this is almost like a step below chipboard. So it's just got a different consistency. Make sure the flaps are folded in so you don't have to do what I just did right there. Kind of folded it in again. And when we put those panels on, it'll hide these tabs. It actually makes it pretty snug for the distress blending tools, or the ink blending tools I should call them. So now we're going to put those panels on the side. So let's go ahead and take a clothespin off here. And we're going to center it so it's centered on the side, but we want it to fold over that edge. So just adding glue to the back of the panel, get it in the right spot, and then go ahead and apply pressure on both sides. Go ahead and just flip it over to apply pressure against the table. And then we'll do the same on all 4 sides. So once we get this last panel on, I'll show you how the different tools can fit in there. There are the round distress tools, which a lot of people use. You can store them with or without the pad on the end. And then there's that rectangular one that a lot of people use for alcohol inks. Or you could take the pads off, or the ink pads off, and do it that way. I use the round ones most of the time on a regular basis. So I do reuse I organize my pads, my little foam pads, with my ink pads normally, but these I do reuse them for different colors. So there you go. I hope you find this to be a useful item in your craft room, and thank you for watching.